arbitrationagreements.org. Hey there, business owners with websites across America and overseas. Before we go over how you can secure a customized arbitration clause of your website with ease, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. We understand that in today's digital age, it's more important than ever to ensure the smooth operation of your online business. An essential aspect of this is safeguarding your interests and ensuring that any potential disputes are resolved amicably and efficiently. That's where we come in. Did you know that as of this year, over 70% of businesses in the United States use some form of dispute resolution mechanism? And among those, a staggering 65% prefer arbitration to traditional court litigation. The numbers speak for themselves, right? But why is this the case? Well, arbitration offers a quicker, more confidential, and often less costly way to resolve disputes compared to the traditional court process. Plus, it reduces the strain on our already overloaded court system. Now, if you're thinking, that sounds great, but how does it relate to my website? Here's the deal. By having an arbitration clause on your website, you can ensure that any disputes arising from online transactions or interactions are addressed through arbitration. This can potentially save you time, money, and the hassle of drawn-out legal battles. That's where we, at arbitrationagreements.org, come in. We are proud to share that we're the top association in the country for providing arbitration clauses that businesses like yours can easily insert onto their websites. We've been in this industry for years, and our expertise and reputation are unmatched. What sets us apart is our commitment to personalization. We understand that every website and business is unique, so instead of offering a one-size-fits-all solution, our experts are standing by to draft a customized arbitration clause tailored to fit your specific needs. That's right, you won't just get a generic clause. You'll get one that's meticulously crafted to align with your business goals and interests. Remember, if you're aiming to protect your online business and provide an efficient way to resolve any potential disputes, then it's time you considered adding an arbitration clause. And there's no better place to get it than right here with us. Join the numerous businesses that trust our expertise, and let us be your partner in ensuring a smoother online business experience. To secure a custom clause for your website today, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think of arbitration? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business protect itself.